WUSA 9 Weather Impact is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Tonight on the news at 11, a small community in Hagerstown, Maryland, picking up the pieces after strong wind gusts ripped through the area, damaging homes and vehicles. Thankfully, no one was injured. Thanks for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Larry Miller. Well, at last check, more than 11,000 customers are still without power tonight. Our Leslie Moreno spent the day in Washington County talking to homeowners about how this storm managed to actually bring everyone together.
Definitely the gazebo took a big part of it. It took out one of the foundations underneath.
Strong winds Saturday night ripped through this small Hagerstown community the night before Easter.
I think that tree is what saved the house, honestly. That tree's split in half now.
This aerial footage captured the damage. According to the National Weather Service, wind gusts reached 75 miles per hour, leaving dozens without power, damaged homes, vehicles, and large piles of debris.
Like, we didn't get to do the Easter egg hunt and stuff, but we still had food. Like, they brought a generator over so we could make some of the food.
The sister, Betty Whittington, is glad to be alive.
I've been here 82 years almost, and this is the first I've seen.
Her neighbor's roof landed just inches from her front porch where she normally sits.
The lights blinked off and on, and then the heavy, heavy rain lasted for maybe 2 minutes, and then boom! Scared the bejesus out of me.
John Laurie lives in this apartment building. He says he was watching TV 1 second, the next his roof was blown off.
There was so much destruction and devastation, I'm just thankful nobody got hurt. I mean, you can replace a car, but it's really hard to replace a human being.
Residents say neighbors stepped in to help each other make the best of Easter Sunday despite the storm.
It does make you feel good that people will kick in times of a disaster and need. Everybody looks out for her, and we all just look out for each other.
Something's right. The world's not all wrong. Sometimes you wonder where it's going, as my grandmother used to say, going someplace in the handbasket.
In Washington County, Leslie Moreno, WUSA 9.